Trust me when I say you need this device in your life.
Introducing the AROVEC Hybrid Ultrasonic Air Humidifier.
Experience the ultimate comfort and relaxation with this device, designed to deliver superior moisture and revitalize the air in your home year-round. This winter, it has been absolutely incredible for us, reducing dryness in our throats, eyes, and skin, and easing allergy irritation, even with our puppy around. Plus, it doubles as an aroma diffuser, so you can add essential oils to enhance the ambiance with soothing fragrances. Don't wait any longer. Transform your home into a sanctuary. Visit the AROVEC website and grab yours today.